Hey guys, we're going to be doing adjustments here on SA5, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is hit this little adjustment icon up in the top right here. We're going to click that button. It's going to take us to a screen where we can pick a couple different options. We're going to hit batch adjustment. This is like for like simple adjustments for clients, like removing interest and things like this. So we're going to go right there. Up in the upper right hand corner, we're going to put in an account number. So for this account, we have 965. We're going to hit OK. Brings up the customer. We got a $10 balance. It's an interest that we're going to remove. So we have today's date. The adjustment code, we're going to go down to IWO, interest write-off. The adjustment reason, we don't use these. We're going to put the employee is going to be me. Let's see if I can get, oh, okay. And then the notes, we're going to put customer paid balance in full. Remove. Okay, then we come up here to the amount. We see that she's got 10. That was what we wanted to take off anyway, so we're going 10. Reference check number for this one, it's not really important. Maybe if we were doing like a refund with a check number, we'd put the check number here. Invoice number, not important. We're going to hit add. And if we wanted to put another one in, now this is the opportunity to kind of fill this in and do that again. But since we're not putting any more in, we have this one checked. If we uncheck that, then we can't click anything. So we could check certain ones and not other ones. So if we had 4 of them here, we could post only the one if we really wanted to. If we hit right here, we can edit it. If we wanted to delete it or we wanted to do some other type of stuff, make a memo, we could do that. But for now, we're just going to post it. We have it checked. We're going to hit post. It's going to ask, are you sure? Yes, we are. All right, you can see it was posted. We're going to go, just to show you guys, we're going to go to get, we're going to leave this page and we're going to pull up this account now. It's number 965. Search it. And you can see she has no balance. So that's it, guys. Pretty easy. Till next time.